Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Hemkaur Saran. Here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking right now. Israeli military says it has started limited ground raids against Hezbollah targets, posing immediate threat to Israeli communities in northern Israel. Air Force and artillery are supporting ground forces with precise strikes.
There's something.
Pentagon says US and Israel agree on dismantling Hezbollah infrastructure along Lebanon border. US Secretary of Defense speaks to Israeli Defense Minister, warns Iran of serious consequences if it attacks Israel in response. Victory base housing US troops at Baghdad International Airport in Iraq targeted with 3 rockets, 2 of which were shot down by the base's special defenses. No casualties reported. Russian fighter jet intercepted near Alaska by US NORAD forces. US military officials released video of startling interaction between Russian jet and a US plane sent to intercept it. Japan's Prime Minister Fumio Kishida steps down, paving the way for his successor Shigeru Ishiba, who is set to be voted in by Parliament as next Prime Minister and unveil his cabinet today. Voting underway for third and last phase of assembly polls in India's Jammu and Kashmir. Over 39 lakh voters to exercise their franchise across 40 assembly seats. Bangladesh's interim government decides to sit with political parties first to discuss reforms before the 6 commissions commence their work in full swing. Sri Lanka records its first instance of deflation in 29 years. The Colombo Consumer Price Index declined 0.5% in September 2024. The last time Sri Lanka experienced deflation was in March 1995.